Most people think making serious money is about one big lottery win, one moonshot stock, or one viral business idea. They think it's sexy, but the reality is much less exciting. Real wealth isn't built on one single moment. It's built on the accumulation of 30 very boring, very unsexy habits that most people overlook. Today, I'm giving you the exact blueprint I used as an investment banker. Everyone talks about compound interest, but few people truly understand its power. It's boring because for years nothing happens. It looks like paint drying. But at year 15, the curve verticalizes. The first 10 habits are about optimizing how you think. The brain is the engine, and if you can't control the engine, you can't drive the car. Habit 1. The boring equals rich mantra. Accept that wealth is boring. Habit 2. Stop chasing hot tips. Read financial reports instead. Habit 3. Practice delayed gratification. Can you wait 10 years? Habit 4. Accept you are not special. The market doesn't care. Habit 5. Think in decades, not quarters. Habit 6. Learn to love the downturns. A downturn is just a market sale. Habit 7. Focus on controllable inputs. Habit 8. Ignore celebrity endorsements. Habit 9. Value your time properly. Habit 10. Learn a new skill every single month. The next 10 are about process optimization. This is where you actually use your money. Habit 11. The automation axiom. Automate everything, every bill, every payment, every investment. Habit 12. Kill high-interest debt with a fire extinguisher. Habit 13. Max employer matches. It's free money. Habit 14. Use a tax shield umbrella like the Roth IRA. Keep the taxes dry. Habit 13. Read one boring finance book a month. Habit 14. Audit your subscriptions annually. Ask, do I still use this? Habit 15. Start every month with a budget, not a hope. The last 10 are about retention. It's about protecting what you've built. Habit 21. Learn to say no to the new iPhone. Your old one is fine. Habit 22. Value an asset for its utility, not its status. Habit 23. The boring investment road. Stop picking stocks. Just buy the whole basket, index funds. Habit 24. Ignore the news. The news is just entertainment. Habit 25. Value compound growth, even when it looks small. Habit 26. Practice the 24-hour rule before any non-essential purchase. Habit 27. Learn to enjoy free hobbies, reading, walking, or writing. The structure is simple. Build the fortress before the roof. When you build a roof before the foundation, the house collapses. Follow the sequence. Stay disciplined. Stay boring. And most importantly, stay safe.